In this FluencyLink tutorial video, we'll look at what you can do under the My Uploads tab on your teacher account. Here, you can upload files and links to share with students. Students will be able to see these under Shared Files on their account. They will also get notifications when content is added or removed. Files on this page can be sorted by name or by date last modified. Before we look at adding files, we'll look at folders. Folders are a way for you to organize your files and links, but students will not see these folders on their accounts. They will only see the files and links within the folder. To add a new folder, select New Folder. Enter a name for the folder. To open a folder, double-click on it. As you can see here, you are not able to create another folder within a folder. Currently, it is not possible to move files and links around between folders. So keep that in mind when organizing your files. To add a link, I'll select New Link. Give this a title and paste a URL. You also have the option to upload a photo to use as a thumbnail for this content, but it is not required. When finished, click Add Link. To upload a file, select New File Upload. Docs, sheets, presentations, and PDFs are supported up to a size of 1 GB. You can drag a file here or click to browse your computer and locate a file. The title will be taken from the file name, but you can modify it here if you want to. When finished, click Save. Next, we'll look at how to share content. On the content you want to share, click these 3 dots and select Share. This will prompt you to enter classes, groups, or individual users to share with. Select from the dropdown or type to narrow your search results. Finished, click Share. Note that sharing a folder will share all files and links within that folder. However, adding a new file or link to a shared folder will not automatically share it with students. It must be reshared to grant students access. To edit content, click here and select Edit. With a link, you can directly modify the title URL or a thumbnail and then select Update. The file, currently, a new file must first be uploaded before any changes can be made to the title or thumbnail, and a folder can be renamed. To unshare a file with specific users, select this X next to a class, group, or name, and click Share again to update. Then confirm that students will no longer be able to access the content. To delete a file, which will also unshare it from any students, select Delete and then Confirm. Thanks for watching.